Cities draw their power from social proximity and contaminations. During the last 2 years, both values have been thrown into crisis. Repairing the city fabric after the emergency means to find creative ways to boost social proximity, inclusion, diversity and contaminations as agents of health and sustainability. The artist is invited to face the challenge of the transformation of an urban ecosystem in response to the incursion of the stabilizing elements. The artist will work on the urban ecosystem of Milan. The fellowship is hosted by MIT in cooperation with a human technopole that will make available data and latest technologies, the City of Milan that will make open data easily accessible, ATT and other research centers for technological support. We are waiting for you at MIT Art and Digital Culture Center.